Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Well, here we are in the last week of June, and the equity markets continue to trend higher. NASDAQ's pausing a little bit, but we continue to see the S&P and the Dow Industrials marching higher. And over the last few weeks, we talked about some of the rotation we've seen in some of the sectors in the market. There's one sector that kind of came awake last week, and that's what I want to talk about. It's basically the biotechnology sector. Biotechnology stocks pretty much have been two-year consolidation. They've had some false starts. They tried to have a pretty good bump after the election. They came back down into their base. In March, they tried to have another run-up, came back down. And last week, actually, if you look at the biotech ETFs, they broke out into new highs. If you look at the IBB right above 304, biotech broke out, and that's highs we haven't seen since December of 2015, so that's significant. And also, if we start looking at the components, some of the large cap stocks that are doing very well, namely Celgene, symbol CELG, broke out, trading at all-time highs. We have Regeneron, symbol REGN, also moved out, had a big breakout, big volume moves in these stocks. Even a stock like Gilead that's been pretty much left for dead looks like it may be bouncing off the bottom. So none of these are buy recommendations, but these are some of the stocks you do want to take a look at because as a group they are starting to move very nicely. And also in their last consolidation, if you look, there's a pretty good shakeout right about May 30, 31, where it hit a new low, bounced off of that, and continued moving higher. So some of the small cap biotechs that are pretty interesting. One is Supernus, the symbol is SUPN, a little bit extended, running away. One that's near a pivot breakout point is Excelis, the symbol is EXEL, and also Corcept Therapeutics, symbol CORT, also right at that pivotal area trying to break into new highs. So there's just some ideas you can take a look at. You should always consult your financial advisor if any of these trades are for you. And if you don't want to pick specific stocks, biotechs, there's probably about 450, 500 stocks in that sector, so a lot of stocks. You can look at some of the ETFs. Some are like XBI, that's the spiders for biotech, or the NASDAQ Biotech Index, the IBB, or First Trust has a biotech ETF, its symbol is FBT, or there's also a BioShares products, meaning an ETF that has biotech stocks in with only approved products, and that symbol is BBP. So there are just some ideas, something you want to take a look at. Consult your financial advisor, and of course let price and volume be your guide. So in summary, the biotech stocks looks like they're coming alive. It might be a place to look at for new ideas as technology stocks still continue to do well, a little bit extended. Also this morning we have financial stocks which kind of had a move backed off, but they're starting to move again this morning. That's another area you might want to take a look at this market. So as always, that price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.